So one thing I forgot to show you on the Monte, I got the little blue LED lights just under here. I got those wired in with my interior lights, so I open my doors up, those turn on. I don't know, it's kind of cool. Thinking about taking them off. But then I did the little eyebrow strips, LEDs, underneath my lights. I don't know, I like them, they're pretty cool. They're just easy, they're just the Alpino ones. You get it like AutoZone or whatever. Real easy to put on. Oh, and then I got the LSX or the SLP grill on there. I'm gonna badge out the whole car like the LSX. And then I forgot to show you too. I got just do a quick exhaust clip for you. But yeah, it's I just got a JEGS tip on there, house brand tip, down to a Super 44 Flowmaster with a stock just about the rest of the way and a resonator delete. And that's about it though. Thanks guys.